What happens when your foundation is too light? What do you do? Well, keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly what to do so you don't have to stop using your favorite foundation or even get rid of it. By the way, I'm Jeannie. I'm a pro makeup artist. I live in Los Angeles. I work with celebrities, beauty brands, and everyone in between. Welcome to my channel. First things first, I'm going to apply foundation. I do wear foundation, but mostly for everyday, I tend to go a little bit lighter. I usually use a tinted sunscreen or something that has a little bit of a lighter coverage because that's just what I prefer. That being said, the foundation that I decided to use today has more of a medium coverage with a bit of a satin dewy finish to it. The foundation I'm using today is the Surreal Skin Foundation from Makeup by Mario. One of the reasons I'm featuring this foundation in particular is because not only do I love the formula and I love the coverage, I have quite a few shades of this, so I can demonstrate what I'm trying to show you as far as if you do have a foundation that's a little bit too light and you need to fix it. So this is shade 3W. I'm actually 5N. So it is 2 shades lighter than what I am normally. And the undertone is a little bit different, but I do have some warmth in my skin. So we're gonna be able to make it work. I'm gonna take my IT Cosmetics foundation brush and just start buffing it all over. This is a pretty thin layer. And as you can see, it's just a little too light. Now the next step is bronzer, in particular cream bronzer. Now we could go in with the tried and true NARS Cosmetics. They have beautiful cream bronzers. This is the deepest one. This is from my kit. I would not use this on myself. I would use this on someone with deeper skin. This is just to demonstrate their cream bronzer. You can put this on your face, blend it out, it's fine. But there's a reason why I'm going to show you these 2 other products. Now they are also from Makeup by Mario. I am not sponsored. I bought all of this makeup with my own money for my kit and for my personal use. But I want to highlight these 2 products in particular because they work so well and they're really sheer. And I think when you're working with bronzer, in the sense of trying to color correct and create more depth to a foundation or to a base that is too light, if you put another heavy product on top of it, you're just putting product on top of product. That's gonna build up texture and it's gonna look really makeup-y. But the idea behind these products is that they're thinner and they're lighter, but they have really good pigment to them, so they're going to blend out and help it look a little bit more natural. The 2 products are the Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum and the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. This is the serum. You can either use it with the pump or you can use it with the doe foot right here. And then I just want to show you, this is in the shade medium. Look at how sheer that is. So the learning curve on this is so low. You can stick it on your cheeks and blend it out, and it's one of the easiest things to use. Now the Skin Enhancer, like I said, it's like a balm and it's in the shade light medium. So you're going to see it's a little bit of a different tone. Now, because these are so sheer is why I recommend them. Even if we have to layer these products, we have more control over this because of the formula, because it's thinner and you can manipulate it a little bit easier than if you were to put a thick, heavy cream bronzer on your skin and just hope and pray that you can buff it out. So on this side of my face, I'm going to take this serum. This is in the shade medium, so it's a little bit deeper than what I would normally use. I usually use light medium and medium, depending on how much bronze I want to do. So because we are color correcting, I'm going a little bit deeper with the medium bronzer. And then I'm going to take my foundation brush, which I already used to apply my foundation. So it has a little bit of product already in there. That is key. I've seen a lot of these tutorials where people will go in with the bronzer first and then place kind of patchwork the foundation in between and then buff it out. That doesn't always work for me. I prefer to have product already in my brush that's fresh that I've used because I feel like it just helps the blending process so much more. There's a trick that I like to use whenever I'm trying to buff or make things look really seamless. So I'm going to take this Verse Lotion Mist. This is from East 29th. This is a beautiful brand out of Canada. It's by a working pro makeup artist. This is the face mist. Any face mist will do. Anything hydrating. You could even spritz water onto your brush. Just dampen your brush. I just prefer to use a face mist. Knock off the excess, tap it off, just make sure it's nice and damp. And I'm just going to grab some product and place it right on the face. Thinking about where bronzer should go naturally, this is pretty much what we're talking about. I'm going to take my damp brush and just start buffing everything together. What you want to do is you want to tap or buff on top of the product and then kind of pull it down into the foundation because you're blending everything. So yes, it's important to blend on top of the product, but kind of tap it around to blend it into the face. And you can already see, look at how easy that was. I'm actually gonna take the skin enhancer now. I have some on the back of my hand and I'm gonna grab my brush, work it in, just tap. Pull a little of it down the neck. See the difference? And that was so quick. It really is so easy. Now, I did layer a Makeup by Mario product on top of another Makeup by Mario product. So they're more than likely meant to work together. But the beauty of these products is that you can experiment and see if they work with other products as well. I don't necessarily only layer the two of them together. I use them with my other products in my personal and professional kit. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of the face and I'll be right back. I just finished the other side of my face with the 2 bronzing products. You do not need 2 bronzers. Like I said, it was for the sake of demonstration, just to show you how beautifully they blend in and how natural the bronze looks, even on a medium coverage foundation. I did use both of these together, but that was just for the sake of demonstration. You could use this on its own. You can use this on its own. You can use any cream bronzer. It's totally up to you. I just love the formula of these 2 products because, like I said, they're thin, but they've got great pigment and they are so freaking easy to blend. Great for beginners, great for newbies, great for those of you that are just a little bit intimidated by cream bronzer. But if you do have a foundation that you really love that you don't want to get rid of, but it's just a little too light, this is all you need, really. Do you see how quick and easy that was? I really hope it was helpful. I know we're in the middle of summer right now. We're going into fall. It's about to be a transitionary period, but that does not mean that your tan cannot transition into fall with you, honey, okay? Yes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a brand new video.